everything in nature is perfect. At least in my opinion, everything in nature is perfect. I say that because when you look at plant life, trees, for example, they go through their 4 stages of life. They grow, they bud, the leaves fall, and then the tree kind of dies for the winter. And it just recycles itself and starts to bud again the next year. So, if humans weren't here to maybe even pollute the earth or to cut the tree down in general, then the tree would continue on forever in perfect harmony. Plants and insects, the whole globe, the global warming, the globe always heats up during a certain time and chills out during a certain time. That's nothing new. So, like the ice age and global warming and stuff, it's cycles. They happen in cycles. So the earth, it always gets itself back in order after a while. But being that nature is perfect, that means we are a part of perfection ourselves. I'm not saying that people are perfect, but I'm not saying we can't be perfect. Really, perfection is subjective. It's kind of a biased opinion. But people might say, "Oh, my girlfriend is perfect." For certain reasons, they feel that way. But perfection in the terms of harmony, growth, non-toxicity in the body and the mind, able to comprehend and able to withstand the trials of life and not get angry when something happens, to learn from your mistakes and to change your ideologies and grow. Perfect as in being able to adapt to any situation. I think humans can do that. We're a part of perfection ourselves. Why not? But on a religious standpoint, our bodies are vessels, according to Christianity. And, we're temples for the Holy Spirit to reside. And Jesus is perfect in every sense. So, according to Christian subjectivity. So, why not? That also means we're a part of perfection, just like nature. People like to say that nature and science can't blend when it's the same thing. So, just something on perfection. It's good to harness yourself. Right now I'm watering the grass. But yeah. Just be one with the earth, and you'll be one with perfection. And that's it. Peace out.